After sa citizenship, we're going for our holiday to Blue Mountains, Katoomba, Sydney, Australia. Blue Mountains, here we come. See you later. First time too. This is our first time together. So we're gonna drive 2 hours. Yeah, 11:02. That time is early. So see you later. See you soon, Blue Mountains. I'm very excited to see our room. Ah, limousine. Phone contact. You can hire that one, no? Time check. 11:24. Gutom na ako, so magla-lunch ako. Pork adobo with rice. Thank you, Pats. Daming car. Pili lang kayo, pili. Wow. Oh, it's really road. So you're gonna go this way? Meron some love. Who's the driver? I'm the passenger. Lockdown favorite city. Hooray! So we're here in Glenbrook now. So mga 40 minutes and we'll be there to our destination. So after nearly 3 hours drive talaga, we're nearly here. Ho ho! Chicken there, darling. Fairmont, welcome to Fairmont Resort. So we need to park in here. Wow, grabe ka busy mga guys. Super busy. Grabe kalisod mangita og parking. Kadaghan kayong mga tao. So look. Yok na gid mi wala gid mi kakita mo balik. Fairmont Resort Station. We're here now. So this is the main entrance. There you go. Huh? So, nag-check-in nami guys. So, nandyan yung asawa ko nag-check. So, maybe later pa kami magpunta sa room. Kasi, it's 2:13 pa. So, the reception at the back. So, yan ang waiting area. Walang waiting. Kasi nasa likod pa yung asawa ko. So, yay! I'm going to check our room guys. So, there's an ATM machine. So, what number is our room 12? Like, Jamieson swing down. Guest only, so this is our room. Hello. Knock knock. So, welcome sa ating hotel. So, hello guys, nasa room kami naka-check-in na. So, itutur kayo sa room. So, that's it. So, yan. Walang ilaw. So, just put it in there para may ilaw. So, yan. Ito yung ito yung toilet nila. Wow, so mirror. And my child. Welcome. So, yung kettle dyan. Yung table. And this is our bed. King bed. And that's the living room. Living room lahat. So, dito tayo upo-upo mag-coffee. Then may ano pa dyan. Saka, tayo malalak bitaw. Yan din sa likod. This is our home for 2 nights and 3 days. Hooray! Let the holidays begin. So, hello guys! So, finally, andito na kami after 3 hours drive. Hindi naman kami nawawala. Andito na kami sa aming room. So, tang-tarang! That's our bed for 2 days. So, yan. Tara, itutur ko kayo. So, that's the bed. That's the main entrance there. And on our left side of bed, my telephone in case we need to order. So, Fairmont Resort Spa. And dito rin sa side. At saka, so yan, my chair dyan. So, chair. Table for coffee. Then my big lounge. And then, yung telly. Yung telly nandyan. At saka yung table din like pang office. And then, for coffee. And that's my Bobby. Hello Bobby, welcome to Fairmont Resort Spa in Kachamba Blue Mountains. And that's my baby Love Love. Some rest first and then we're gonna go around. So, may baon akong lunch kasi gutom ako. So, let's eat. Yubika Signature Spa. Oh, there it is. My Bobby's relaxing at the back because he's really tired. Signature face, darling. Maybe I'm gonna get this. The restaurant inside. Yan ang bar. Wow, that's the view. Time check, it's nearly 5 o'clock. Tapos, lalabas kami. Watch out, darling. This is the beautiful view of Kachamba. Okay? Wow. If you love nature, you will go in here. And yun ang hotel namin. Mas tinistayhan. Darling, where are you going? I'm gonna wait in there. It's so cold.
It used to be probably the ocean was in there.
Why it cut into half?
Well, that's why. The water's eroded it. This
We're
one's
gonna
got salt and
try.
pepper squid.
What else? We're looking for the mina.
Chicken BLT.
So, nandito kami sa Azzurro Trattoria Italian restaurant for dinner. And
Squid
order
ink.
na.
And can I get a bottle of what's that one there? Where is it?
It's time to order our dinner.
Yes, please.
Cheers, Bobby. Mine is not open, Baba. So open my drink, my love. So sweet. So you see that you're a barman. How are you gonna pour the beer? The wine. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, love. Love you.
So sweet, darling. I love you.
Used to love
Thank you.
Love
Thank you. That's my Bobby. Thank you, my love. Restaurant, and then there's still some space at the back. You want your dinner, darling?
Mine's prawn and crab risotto.
Oh, that's prawn and crab risotto.
Yeah.
With your drink.
And look at yours.
Mine is
Squid ink spaghetti.
squid ink. That's why it's ink.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that.
Nom 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 nom. Let's eat. What's that?
Saffron.
What's that?
Colour.
Oh,
Decoration.
that's clothing.
It's a
Mine
natural,
is like
it's a natural orange colour.
parang wati, guys. So done with our dinner. Love is just drinking, but also we all empty. There's a parmesan and Bobby still nagbabayad pa siya sa counter kasi natapos na naming mag-dinner. Early dinner, 6 o'clock. So sorry. Ano pala? So it's going back to our room, or we're going. What's the highest? What score you gonna give? 5.
Because I'm not a real
Seafoods.
seafood, but it was nice.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, I'll give it like 6 too. It's not bad,
An
but
Italian restaurant with no meat.
so
Very unusual.
going back to our room to rest.